So, good morning, students. This side Dharmendra Verma, and today is I'm just going to tell you my next topic: inserting object in Microsoft Word. So first, I just want to tell you what is the object. So object is predefined, or you can just say you can define a graphical symbol or something else, which is not actually easily available in anywhere. So you can just create, if you just want to create something, then you can easily insert that thing. Suppose if you have a symbol, if you just want to create a symbol, for example phi symbol, because I think there is no phi symbol over here. Just suppose there is no phi symbol over here, and I just want to insert that phi symbol, phi symbol, not file symbol, I don't know. Click over here, object. So insert is the option in menu option, and click on the text area. You can click on the object, select the bitmap image, click OK, and I think you know very well about what is the phi symbol. Actually I don't know, like this something, or one more thing, I think like that. Suppose I just want to use this symbol. Okay, close, and it will present in my Word document. So it is the task of inserting object. After that, in the inserting object, in the inserting area, in the inserting menu, there's a lots of the things present over here. So I'll just tell you, because in your book there's not that much amount of information present. I just want to tell you each and every option which is present in this particular area. So I just, first is cover page. So you can just create your cover page, the stylus one and the introductory part of your document. If you just want to create a cover page, then you can click on the cover page over here, and you can select any cover page. So suppose example over here, so you can use the cover page. For example, the title page over for that. If you just want to create a blank page, you can click over here, it will show you the blank page. Now after this, page break. So I told you about the page break, I think, where you just want to split your page into two pages, then you can use the page break. I think the first video I told you about the thing. If you just want to insert the table, the table is again an important part of your document. If you just want to create anything, oh my god, I just want to delete that one. Control X and Control V. Yes, cool. So what is that? Okay, click on insert and table. Click over here. You can just easily select the number of rows and number of columns which is present over here. Okay, I just want to create a new page first. It's a blank page. Okay, so you can just create number of rows and number of columns. Clear? How many number of rows you required or number of columns you required, you can just easily use that thing. For second thing is, if you have n number of columns and n number of rows, so you can just insert the table. If you know about the number of rows and number of columns, suppose if I'm just wanting 5 number of columns and the rows are 50, and what is that? Fixed column width auto, exactly as per my page, it will auto, or auto fit the content and auto fit to the window. So I'll just tell you each and everything over here. So now this is called number of rows and number of columns present over here. You can just easily look. You can easily just see that all the things over here. So there's a 1 2 3 4 5 number of columns over here and a 50 number of rows over there. Okay, so right now it is out of it. Clear? I'm just going to delete the thing. Cut. Okay, move for insert, click over here, and I'm just selecting again insert the table area 5, and I'll just select 50, not 50, I just wanting 15 only, and fit with the content. Okay, now right now there's a small table, but the the ability of this table is you can just use this table it will increase or decrease the size as per to the content, or we can just say text as name of student, class, section, and about about something else, you can say marks. So it will increase or decrease as per to the inserted content. Suppose if I'm just inserting a text over here which is actually more, so it will automatically adjust. Okay, so this is the main feature of my table. So clear? Now again, insert picture. If you just want to insert the picture, click over here. You can just select any picture. Just suppose I'm selecting these three idiots. These three idiots as per me. So you can just select the picture, and there's a lots of frames present over here. You can just use those frame. Suppose if you just want to use the as a faded image, which is the part of your suppose it is the part of your page, then you can use that one, or you can just double click over here. You can use the sharp edges. Here's the sharp edges. You can just use if you just want to use that one, it's a reflection over here, you can use that thing. If you just want to use the black frame, oval shape frame, you can use anything. Whatever you just want, you can use anything. Clear? So as per you, whatever you do want, then you can use over here. So it's again a part of the formatting over here. Dear students, I just want to tell you one more important thing, because some students actually confuse about that matter, about the topic. There are two terms present in the Microsoft Word. First is editing and second is formatting. A basic difference between the editing and formatting is editing means add something and delete something. When you are adding something or deleting something, that is a part of the editing. Suppose if I'm just writing over here Apple, APPLE. Okay, Apple. Clear? So if I'm just saying editing, so editing means to say APPLE. I'm adding something and deleting something. If I'm deleting something, it's called editing. If I'm adding something, it's called editing. Clear? So editing is adding something and deleting something. And what is the meaning of formatting? In the case of formatting, you are not supposed to add or delete something. You are actually changing the appearance of that thing. If you are increasing the size, if you are changing the style of your text, or you can just say font style. Suppose I'm saying I don't know which one is better. This is better, and I'm just changing the color. Okay, and using as underline. So it is called formatting. When you are beautifying your text, when you are making appearance as a good, or you can say attractive appearance, at that time you are working on the formatting option. So right now that is called editing, because you are adding something, and if you are changing the appearance, it is called formatting. So this is the basic difference. You are changing the appearance, it's called formatting. If you are adding something, if you are inserting something, that's called editing. So after that, come to the point, insert pictures, clip arts. Clip arts also the predefined arts which is in your Microsoft Word, or you can use the online things. For example, I just want to use clip arts because suppose I'm typing with SCH school. I don't know it will work or not. Yeah, it's working. So when I click type school over here, so there's some clip arts present. For example, it is bus, so you can use that bus picture as a clip art. So clip art is nothing special, but it is Clip art is nothing special, but it is the part of your Microsoft Office. So after that is shapes. If you just want to use the shapes, you can just simply create that shape. Clear? If you just want to want any other shape, then you can use that shape. Okay, so you can just use those shapes again. Suppose take a look. It is important what I'm just talking about. Now this shape is looking like thoda sa- no, it is good, but I just want to decrease the height, na? Oh, now it is fit as per me. Now it is fit. But what I just want, when I'm just dragging something, it is actually dragging. It destroy my image actually. Take a look. I just want to do something like, if I'm just dragging this shape, the whole shape will move. How it will work? So hold the control key. This is the control key. Okay, hold the control key, click on the shapes, right click over here, okay, not control, it's a shift key, I'm sorry. So again, hold the shift key, click over here, right click over here, part of the grouping, and group the image. When you group the image will actually behave like a single image. But right now these are the two images, but it will behave like the single image. If you just want to insert the text over here, you can just click over here and add text. You can insert the text also. Let's call G. Okay, so you can just easily insert the image also. If you just want to fill the color, then again you can fill the color, but for that you have to choose that one. If you just want to change the color, then you can use that one. If you just want to change the image color, not image, it's a text color, then you can use you can change the text color also. So what is that? That is called inserting image or something else. Now shapes is clear. Smart art is a fine art for you because it is again good. It's actually based on the statement process. For example, I'm just inserting something which is actually behave like the steps. So you can just simply use those things first. If I just saying okay, click on step 1, click on insert, click on image. So you can just easily create those things. Step 1, click on the insert. Part of the step 1 is click on the image. You can use that thing. Step 2, step 3, step 4. So if you just want to use that thing, for steps or for, you know, what I'm just trying to say, it is procedure. If you just want to use a procedure and you just want to show a procedure, then you can use that option. It's called smart art. After that is chart. If you just want to display the chart in your Word document, you can click over here. You just want to select first, you'll select, and then you will create a, you know, series 1, series 2, series, suppose I'm saying okay, it's about your result, it is again 2017, 2018, 2019, and the category 1 is class 10th, class 12th, and I'm saying about the 100%, 100%, oh 100%, and I was talking about it's 80, 90. These are the random numbers, please. 85. So what is that? Take a look, and I'm just want only that area. So now it will show you what is that. It will show you the structure. In the class 10th, 2017 is 100%, 2018 is 100%, 2019 is 100%. Class 12th, it is called 80%, it's called 90%, or it's called 85%. So if you just want to create the chart, you can just simply create the chart in your Word document, but it will help. It will work with the help of Excel only. So click over here, and hyperlink. If you just want to click a hyperlink means to say a linking between two files. So suppose if I'm just creating a hyperlink over here. So first I just want to choose my current folder for no, I just want to, where is my picture. No. Okay, so what we can do, where is that desktop? It should be picture. Yeah, exactly. Okay, I'll just select that picture and click OK. So where's that? I just want to, do something good. Where is the picture of folder over here? Where is the picture folder? This one is picture folder. So capture, I don't know about this file, but okay, I'll select that one, click OK. So you can just take a look. It the color is changed. So over here, if you just want to activate that thing, here is a saying, please control plus click on the following. So you have to press control. When you click on the control, you can just see the icon of your mouse pointer is actually changed rapidly, because I'm clicking over here, control, I'm releasing, clicking and releasing. When I click, it hold the control. So click over here and click on that here. So it will show me the linked picture over here. So that term is called hyperlink. So always when I click on this text, it will redirect me on that particular linked picture, which is actually linked with this text. That's called term is called hyperlink. Now click on the insert, and these are the header footer we have discussed about that. Now I just want to tell you which is important, because it is also in your book: symbols. So what are the symbols? Again, a graphical graphical positions. These are the graphical positions which you can easily, or we can just say, insert in your document. And what is the need of those symbols? Suppose in the term, in mathematical term, there's a lots of symbols. For example, pi, for example, there's a lots of symbols. You can just see simple sigma, pi, and beta, alpha, gamma. There's a lots of symbols, yen, or currency symbols. Clear? So you can just simply insert that. So suppose if I'm just wanting to insert the pi symbol over here, so I will click on the pi. It will reflect me. It will show me over here. Equations, if you just want to use any equation over here, you can just simply use that thing. You can use that equation also. Again, click on insert and equations. Suppose if you just want to use that equation, you can use this equation also. You can easily insert the symbols over here. If you just want to use greater than or less than, whatever you just want to use. If you just want to use the under root symbol over here, you can just simply use under root over here. So it's upon you what you just wanting to insert. Or if you just want to edit something, if you just want to suppose L to K, A to Y, so you can just do anything, whatever you just want over here. So that's finished, I think, all about the Microsoft Word, which is present in your book. So that's over. My next video is based on the spreadsheet, or we can just say MS Excel, which is again your next topic. Thank you so much.